airports have been asked to maintain a low line, whereas there are other areas as well which has been issued a strong warning. Here's a detailed report on all that you need to know.
Heavy rains and strong winds continue to lash parts of Tamil Nadu, including Chennai, as cyclone Fengal moves closer to the coastline. Authorities have issued a red alert for 7 coastal districts as the cyclone intensifies.
As you can see right now, we are reporting from Mahabalipuram. As you can see, high tides, and also at the same time we see that fishermen have been asked not to venture out in the sea, and that is the reason why you see no one venturing in the sea right now. As you can see, very high tides being witnessed here as Cyclone Fengal will be making landfall.
The cyclone is expected to make landfall with its impact already being felt across the region. The eye of the storm is predicted to strike between Karaikal and Mahabalipuram near Pondicherry, bringing with it wind speeds up to 90 km per hour.
For this Fengal cyclone, district administration has been taking a variety of preparedness measures. We have around 42 cyclone shelters and temporary shelters which are ready to evacuate and house people immediately from the low-lying and vulnerable areas. These cyclone shelters are equipped with food, water, toilet facilities and backup power facilities also. Round the clock, there is a control room which is working in the district collectorate, which is receiving complaints from the public. 1077 is the toll-free number.
Chennai's airport operations have been temporarily suspended, with flights grounded until at least 7 p.m. today due to heavy rainfall and gusty winds.
Well, amid the cyclonic storm Fengal, which is now set to make its landfall between Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, well, we have been seeing that as many as 13 flights to and from Chennai have been cancelled due to bad weather conditions. And also at the same time, what we have been seeing is that now the Met Department have also issued a red alert in many of the districts.
In Chennai's Basant Nagar area, the strong winds have uprooted trees, blocking roads and disrupting traffic. Officials are working to clear the debris and restore normalcy. Authorities, meanwhile, are closely monitoring the situation with disaster management teams on standby. Local train services have also been impacted, and residents are being urged to stay indoors. With roads inundated, the storm's full impact is expected to unfold as it nears the coast. Meanwhile, IMD has issued a red alert for Tamil Nadu's coastal districts, warning of extremely heavy rainfall, high winds and the potential of flooding.